The JS Nighthawk X2-Frigate is a highly advanced infrared thermal imaging camera designed for precision and efficiency. With a resolution of 320 by 240, it delivers clear and detailed thermal imaging, making it a valuable tool for various applications. Equipped with a 9.7mm HD lens, it offers a viewing range of 10 to 100 meters, while large objects like human figures can be detected at distances of up to 200 meters. For those requiring greater range, larger lenses such as 15mm can be customized to enhance visibility. This thermal imaging camera is packed with features that enhance its functionality. It includes a built-in laser, 15 types of pseudo-color imaging, and a movable crosshair cursor for accurate aiming. Users can magnify images at 1x, 2x, and 4x zoom levels, providing enhanced detail and precision. The built-in screen allows for real-time monitoring, while its user-friendly interface ensures quick and easy operation with just a single click. Designed for convenience and adaptability, the JS Nighthawk X2-Frigate features a 21mm dovetail rail clip, making it easy to install on various mounts. It can also be used as a standalone device, offering flexibility for different scenarios. The durable aluminum alloy shell provides excellent protection while keeping the device lightweight at just 120 g. Its strong seismic resistance ensures reliable performance even in rugged conditions. With a built-in rechargeable battery, the camera can operate continuously for up to 8 hours. It supports fast and efficient charging through a Type-C port, ensuring minimal downtime. The 50 Hz frame rate delivers smooth and high-quality imaging, making it ideal for both professional and personal use. Whether for surveillance, hunting, or industrial applications, the JS Nighthawk X2-Frigate stands out as a powerful and reliable thermal imaging solution.